There's nothing quite like the serenity of nature. And what better way to enjoy it than watching these adorable Coton de Tulear puppies having the time of their lives? Their playful antics and pure joy are simply irresistible. But it's not just about the puppies. Enjoy the beauty of the beach, the warm sun, and the happiness of summer. Life is meant to be enjoyed one moment at a time. For more moments like these, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Stay happy, stay calm, and keep watching.